Welcome to a new gold analysis. Alright guys, so gold really bullish today. As you can see, we attack for the third time, I believe, this 1 hour polarity level here. And here we can see that we got a little bit of a rejection, but since we already tested that so many times, and that's a polarity level, if we don't get a big rejection, okay, we might hit that again and have a little break, okay, no problem. But if we break this up, it's probably going to have a big move, okay. It doesn't mean that it is going to a new all-time high, but it can, guys. It's a big polarity level. As you can see, we have big rejections on this level, and if it doesn't hold down with that range trend also on the 4, we are if we don't have a big rejection, we are going to move up. If we keep rejecting that, we can easily break this 4-hour uptrend, because we already tested that so many times also. And I don't see any level here that was not tested. As you can see here, maybe on the top first, I told you guys yesterday that this was tested here and was probably not going to hold anymore, not even the 1 hour here. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that. This 1 hour, it's actually holding it, but it went a little bit higher than that. It didn't break the break level, so it might still be holding that. It's not really important. It goes to the polarity, so I rather wait for that polarity than this 1 hour untested candle, okay, as resistance. We can also delete this 4. We can also delete this polarity level. As you can see, when we break this polarity level, we have a big move up. It came down, retest that 4 hour. As you can see, it didn't went to the body, but it went to the wick, so that counts as a tested candle. Right now, the last one, it's kind of here. Okay, we still have this 1 hour. Yeah, this one might hold because we have a combo level with the trend. Okay, this 1 hour here on the bottom. If we actually come down here after rejecting this, if we don't break it, we might come down, and this 1 hour might hold with that trend, honestly. But we can also have a little dive from that trend and maybe hold some maybe this 1 hour here, or maybe this one that was tested many times, as you can see. So this is probably a good polarity level on the bottom of this move. I'm gonna make that, yeah, between this support candle and this break. Yeah, I rather wait for the break, and it's just a little below the trend, so that means that we could easily hold the trend. Okay, the price just goes a little bit lower and moves up and keeps the trend. Okay, so I believe that gold, anyways, is still really bullish, but I don't want to buy here for trying to catch that big move up, trying to catch that break, okay? It's still resistance, so you rather, if you don't want to short, no problem. If you believe that we are going to break this, but I rather wait for this level, because we can easily come down to these levels and still break up. Okay, it's resistance, this is support, that's basics. Okay guys, so on the 4, I believe I talked about everything on this little range. Let me just go to the daily. Yeah, guys, even on the daily, we have a good uptrend, but we also are creating some lower highs. But yeah, it's really trying to break up, as you can see, and we have more support candles here, lower, not lower, higher lows. Sorry, then lower highs, as you can see. So it's still really bullish gold, and I believe if we break up this range, well, we can still hold that 4, because it's the last 4-hour candle we can still hold that and still have a ladder down on this range. We can still adapt the trend here, okay? And even from the top there, we can create a lot of trend lines here. So we have to wait. I believe, honestly, if we break up this level, we are going to have a big move up. If we don't break it, we might have a big move down unless we hold this trend, okay? Because this trend, as you can see, is really strong. But if we keep trying to attack it, we might break it, okay? And if we break the trend, we can easily come down to the base of this range, okay? It's the 4 hour here, or maybe even lower, honestly, but I don't want to talk about that. We still have some polarity levels here that can hold the price up. As you can see, these four hold the price 1-2 times here, so it might be a good polarity level also, but I rather wait for this one. This one is probably the best one. All right, guys, so I said everything. Thank you, and see you guys on the next gold analysis. Thank you.